Hey guys, Hannah here. Today we're going to talk about face shapes. It's important to figure out what your face shape is because not all hairstyles are flattering on every hair shape. This video is going to be solely on figuring out what your face shape is, and then the next couple videos are going to be about the styles that would look best on those face shapes. So let's get started. So the first face shape is an oval face shape. This is considered the ideal face shape, and every hairstyle is to make someone's face look more slimmer or more wider to give them an oval face shape. So one way to tell if you have an oval face shape, it's supposed to be 1.5 times longer than its width at the brow. So what that means, if you measure your width at the brow here, it has to be 1.5 times longer than that. So if you go this way, 1.5 times longer than that. So that's kind of a weird way to find out if you have an oval face shape. The next face shape is the round face, and a round face can be determined by a round hairline, a round jawline, and the widest part of your face is going to be right here in the middle. So the whole idea around a round hairline is to make it look slimmer. So you don't want a style that's going to be cut off right here. You want it a little longer to make this part of your face look a little bit longer. The next face shape is the square face shape. So the square face shape is wide at the temples, narrow in the middle third of the face, and then it gets wider at the jaw. So the whole idea around a square face shape is you want to soften the temples and the jaw. So a soft bang or some soft layers. You don't want anything too harsh because it's going to make that look very square and very harsh there. The next face shape is a triangle face shape or a pear face shape. So if you have more of a narrow forehead and more of a wider jaw, chances are that you have a triangle or a pear-shaped face. And the idea behind this one is to create more width here and less width here. So maybe like a heavy bang or a wide bang, and something that doesn't cut off right at the chin area to make this part look fuller here and this part look a little more slimmer. Next is the oblong face shape. So if you have an oblong face, chances are that you have a really long and skinny face with hollow cheeks. So the goal for this face shape is to make it look shorter and wider. So you might want something that does cut off at the chin or something to make your face look more fuller. Next is the diamond face shape. So the idea with the diamond face shape is to create more width here and less width at the cheekbone. So maybe some layers or something to bring focus to your chin. And last but not least, the heart-shaped face. The goal behind this face shape is to decrease the width of your forehead and increase the length around your chin. So you might want some sweeping bangs here or something to kind of cut these corners off, and something a little fuller around your chin to give the illusion of that oval face shape. So that's the end of my video. I hope that this helped you determine what your face shape is. When you know what your face shape is, it makes picking a hairstyle a lot easier because you know it's going to look good. So I hope this helped you, and we'll see you on the next video, and thank you guys so much.